Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of s multiplied with s plus 1 multiplied with s minus 2 dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. First, we have s multiplied with s and s multiplied with number 1. So you got about s squared plus s. Next, this one multiplied with this one and number 2, and this one multiplied with this one and negative number 2, and so you will get about s to the power of 3 minus 2s squared plus s squared minus 2s. This one with this one you got about negative of s squared. And now we can get the final answer. The integral of s to the power of 3 you got about s to the power of 4 over 4. The integral of s squared you got about s to the power of 3 over 3. And the last one. That's the end. Thank you for watching.